So because I'm in my kids' bathroom and there is you know, no tub in my personal bathroom, I have to get a basket of all of my goodies that I would use. I may not use everything, but I just want to make sure I had everything possible. So when I start my spa, I don't have to leave out or ask anybody to bring me anything. So I just put all of my essentials, my box of chocolates that my husband got me for Valentine. I'm gonna need my wine. And a glass and water, because whenever you're detoxing, it's always good to have water. I have my new sponge. Just a heart to just, because it's pretty, no real reason, no rhyme or reason for it. And I got the body wash and all that. So I'm gonna get my bath water going and then I'm gonna go and start my mask. Oh, this smells amazing.
Look at you. The Facebook.
Hello, Jordell.
What are y'all doing?
Spa day. We're having a spa.
Okay, I see how it is.
Rejuvenated. I like the shine on my face. It's called natural.
Do you like this one better than the clay?
It's easier to get off it. I feel better afterwards, but I feel like the clay washes more. Vogue, 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 Vogue. Here are my essentials, my exfoliant, my pebble stone, my body cream for after. So this video was totally inspired by having a conversation with my mom this morning. We were on the phone and I was just giving her an earful of day-to-day life, kind of just ranting, you know, and she's giving me ideas and suggestions. I'm complaining about, oh, I need my nails and oh, this. And I know it's far more, she has a bigger bigger problems than me complaining about, oh, how I don't feel like going to get my nails done and things like that. So just having a conversation with her, she just told me to go relax, go do my own nails, go pamper my own self. So with all that being said, I thought this would be an awesome video just to encourage and motivate you. Maybe you're in the same situation, just complaining and ranting and just not taking life itself, how precious it is. It is just one of the biggest things that I don't want to ever take for granted, because it's never ever guaranteed. So as soon as I got off the phone with her, I went straight to my local drugstore and I got just an abundance of things. I got beauty masks. What are these? Bath salts. You know, I'm in Germany, so I tried to get things that was in American or just smelled things. Like, this is some type of body wash. It smells amazing. So with all that, and I went back to my trusty Dove. It is just to sit there and relax and just, you know, have beautiful music playing or whatever and a candle lit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna encourage you in your day-to-day life, no matter what your hat is, your mother, wife, all of the above. Just take a moment, take 15, 20, 30, whatever minutes you have, just to dedicate it to yourself. So I want to dedicate this video to all the mommies in my life. I wouldn't be half the woman I was without them. So I want to thank my mother and my mother-in-law. They are truly, truly awesome people. Encourage me to be the best that I can be. So I want to thank you and encourage you guys just to do the same. And let's go pamper ourselves, okay?